Hey everyone, it's me again. I just wanted to make another quick video. This one's a lot shorter, but it'll be specifically pertaining to advanced geometry and you guys in that class and what this next period of time is going to look like for you. So first of all, content-wise, we're going to continue with Chapter 11. It's what we were working on before spring break about area. We're going to continue through that in pretty much the same way we were doing before spring break, meaning the Edpuzzle Notes videos that you can watch and fill out your guided note sheet with, and then the practice problem sheets that I'll assign to you and probably ask you to submit a photo of one or two questions. A lot of you guys are doing great on that. It was kind of cool to see, and it was neat that I could take a look at those photos and give you specific feedback on different types of or different parts of the question where maybe you did a good job or maybe you had a mistake and you needed to go back and fix it. So we'll continue to do that. If you were having trouble getting that posting to work in any way, shape, or form, reach out to me, reach out to a classmate, and we'll try and get that figured out. It's actually pretty easy, especially if you use your smartphone to do it. If you have the Google Classroom app on your smartphone, it's really quick and easy to submit a picture as a response to an assignment. And if you're having trouble with that, just let me know and I can probably help you along and try and get that figured out. When it comes to quizzes and tests over Chapter 11, we'll kind of play that by ear as we go along. I will probably give you guys a digital copy of the quiz that I would have given you if we would have been in class, and I'll just ask you to complete that and kind of submit it. More so I can just give you feedback on whether or not you're doing the questions correctly or not. It might not even be for any kind of grade whatsoever, but I would just want you to complete it so I can just kind of take a look and see how you're doing. Test-wise, over Chapter 11, we'll kind of wait and see where we're at. I don't want to commit to anything right now, so we'll just say TBA on that. If we are not back in school once Chapter 11 is all finished and done with, then my plan is to move to Khan Academy, use the Khan Academy website and everything it provides to take a look at some other geometry concepts that maybe I wouldn't do in a normal year, but I think are kind of interesting and neat and important. So that's kind of the general plan. Every once in a while, I'll probably give you guys some secondary activities that don't necessarily relate to what we're doing in class, as just a way to kind of stretch your brain, challenge your brain, give you a break from the same stuff that we've been doing, and just something different to kind of think about that still pertains to math. So be on the lookout for those kinds of things. Hopefully it'll be kind of fun, some games and some other different kinds of things for you to do. So that's about it. That's about all you need for right now. You'll notice that I might be putting some grades in for things. I'll only be counting those in if they help you. It's more or less to keep track of whether you're kind of keeping up with the assignments and doing what I've been asking you to do. It'll only count in your grade if it helps you, though. So just keep an eye on that. Okay? We'll hopefully see each other again soon. Oh, one other thing I forgot to mention before I go. Virtual office hours. I'll be setting up a time. It looks like for your class, it'll probably be Wednesday afternoons when you can log in to Zoom and you would have some real-time face-to-face access to me. If you have questions about anything we're doing in class or you just want to chat and say hello, check in, tell me about how your coronavirus quarantine is going, whatever the case might be. So I'll be posting information about that on Google Classroom. So keep an eye out for that. All right, we'll talk to you later, guys.